Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I know I've been not uploading stuff for a while. I was recording some stuff with the new camera recorder, but it literally stopped working. It wouldn't I recorded, it says it's recording, but it didn't record anything. So I'll get that figured out and I'll make a Minecraft Let's Play on the Pocket Edition of updated version. And just a head start, I already done some stuff in the world, mailed a house and all that. Because it would be way too repetitive. Okay, let's just play that again. Okay. So, let me just get an introduction if you don't even know what is this game. So, it's some game from the franchise Angry Birds. I could have played this game on the iPad, the screen recorder with better quality, but they deleted the game along with the other games. Even though that was probably the best way to play this. Let me get to this. Come on. Let me see where I... Okay. What is that button? Okay. I just skipped it off west part. Come on. Let's get to the 6. I'm using the little bottom screen thingy that the 3DS has. Oh, there. That is literally the easiest level. Okay. Well, we won. Yada yada. Okay, let's... Oh! Get him. Oof. I just oofed her I got oofed. Okay, yada. I know I already got 3 stars because I killed some dude with the one bird. Okay, he's not dead. This is not the 3-star complete it all challenge where you have to fully complete this game. It's some simple gameplay. Okay. Yada. Ooh, it's a TNT box. Come on. Oh. Rip. Oh, we won. No. Okay, yada. Okay, yada. Oh, let's see if we can get all of them. Guys, are you gonna explode? Took you long enough? That was some sweet gameplay. Okay, this is a challenge. Or not really. Okay. Okay. Sometimes that takes longer for someone Peggy to die. Okay, yada. Okay, what level? Oh! Somehow, I don't know why, but they had to reuse the piggy die noise from the other space game, the Angry Birds space game. I don't know why they had to reuse the sound. I could have tried using the sound from the actual films. Oh, got him. Epic. That was an epic move. That was an epic gamer move. Yada. Yeah, good stickers. Okay. Let me see if we can beat that. Bruh. Let me see if I could do this better. Oh, come on, get him. I think we're gonna do better. Get him. Let me try doing better. Just. Yeah, because it is going to get it. Let me try. These physics. Physics are unfair. Physics are unfair. It's just you have to hope that the physics of the game match on what you want to do. Because physics can go whack. And sometimes it goes to what you plan to do. Okay, what's next? Okay, get rid of these. Let me just attempt this 100 times, I guess. Okay, never mind. I had to get that little piggy in this like right there. I don't know if you can see, but it's that piggy in the front. And the front is to the birds. Come on. If we get like about 1,000 subscribers, I'll probably speedrun this game. Ooh. Die. I wonder what does that. I don't know. Okay, that was a very terrible one. Still, we got level were we playing? I won't tell you what level you're playing. No, that's a previous one. Wait, that's how you can... I'm very triggered. Okay, that's where we left off. Now let's... Yes. I already did progress, so it doesn't matter. Okay, this is a better level. We're gonna do this, and then finally get this man instead of the... I am very triggered. I am very triggered. Okay. At least it wasn't in. At least this was better than the last one. Okay, next level. Where are we? Where can I? Bruh. Can't believe it didn't knock that man over. I am very triggered by this. We will get that golden egg at a another let's play. Now more like end game. Next steps. Sure. I am very triggered by this. The timing. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna use. Oh, we're gonna use a nuke. It's time to use the nuke. Let me see. Okay, whatever. We'll just keep playing. Come on. Oopsie. Oopsie. I am very triggered by this. I always get triggered, but I have a man to do it. Okay, what's next? So this is level what? Okay. Okay, I have a better strategy. Triggered. I hate this so much. Let me see if I could like... Ah! Okay, that was a better... Come on. Bro, oh, no. Come on, shoot up! Shoot up! Okay, that was a better way. Boom, bang. I'm triggered. Not epic gamer. Okay, that was better. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I am so triggered. Ah! Come on, that was so unlucky. Okay, that was very lucky. Epic. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it already. Oh. Kill him. Die already. Okay, I have to finish this. Are you kidding me? Okay, we have to bring the big guns. Okay. Okay, let's just do one more level, and then we're done with this Let's Play. Okay. That's where I left off when I played this in 2020. I'm very trick. Oh. I am done. Okay. That's all for this LP video. So let's see. So we got this and this block stage. You can do it. Exclusive bonus. Okay, there's much stuff to do in there. Okay, these are the suckers. So they'll make some noises and that's it. Okay. Let me see. What is this? Awards, achievement thingies. Yeah. Okay, there's a bunch of achievements, and some of them you don't even know what are. Okay, there's it. Okay, legal stuffy, yada yada. Control thingies. Okay. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done now. I'm done with this. If you want to see another of this, I guess nobody comments these videos, so do it now. Okay, bye-bye.